So to change the MDP sensor on a Montero Sport, you have to take off these two screws, the connector, and just replace it with a new one. This is size 8, by the way. So in order to take this pin out, you have to finagle it with a flat screwdriver and take it out like this, and it should come off by pulling it like that. So take the old one, take the new one, which is here, and put it back. And then you put the pin back. Where is it? Let it click, and it holds it together. That's it. It's a little tight. I'm not too tight. It's a little funny how to get it in there. And the best method was, from the front first, and then to the back. Then it goes in like that. Then you put the screws back in. That's it.